Hey everyone, happy Friday. Scott Smith with the Smith team at Keller Williams. Wanted to share a quick market update with you as we've turned the corner from summer into fall. We look at the seasonal changes that we experience in Minnesota within our real estate market. So typically, the first quarter of the year is kind of a question mark, unforeseen, knowing what is going to be happening with activity, and typically that's when it really ramps up. And then we kind of continue that momentum as we get into the second quarter of the year. Then summer actually settles down. So what we'll typically see any given year is everyone's out at the cabin on vacations, breaks from school, and typically that time of year, the summertime, summer months, June, July, and August, we're seeing a little bit of a settling in the market. I would say it's more of a stabilization within the market. So as we get into fall now, what we're going to experience is a little bit more continued stabilization, but we're also going to see people get preparing their homes for sale for next year. A couple of the key indicators that we look at to see what is happening with the market. Obviously, the showing activity certainly is one of our leading indicators as far as the activity that we're going to have on showings or on properties. And what we see with that, what we've seen already this summer and going into fall, is we've seen fewer and fewer showings that will compared to the spring market when we had maybe 40, 50 showings on a property in that first weekend. Now we're down to probably 10, 15 showings, but we're still getting multiple offers if that property is in the right condition and it's priced accurately. The next thing we look at is kind of the following indicator is the number of pending sales. And what we're seeing already as we're getting into September and probably October, we're going to see those pending sales settle down a little bit. So with that will lead into the list to sale ratio. And what that is kind of an indicator of is if a property lists for, let's say, $100,000 and it sells for $102,000, it's sold 2% above that list price. That's a list to sale ratio of 102%. The crazy thing is this year that almost every month we get the stats from the Board of Realtors, and almost every single month we've been over 100%, which is absolutely insane. What we're starting to see is that trending downward. So we've actually had some of our clients where we've been able to negotiate offers, accepted offers for our buyers below list price, and also looking at some contingent offers. So definitely more of a stabilization with those indicators. And then once those properties close, we get a better indication of the days on market. So earlier this year, the first half of the year, we were seeing properties that were on the market from a Thursday and finalizing an offer over the weekend. So the days on market was, for the most part, it was 4 or 5 days. What we're seeing now is actually kind of creeping up more to in like 2-3 weeks. It's more of a normal market, and which is a healthy market for both buyers and sellers. We're making better decisions, and we have a better handle on pricing as we get into the fall months. So just want to share with you a quick update on what is happening in the real estate market as we get into fall out of summer. Wishing everyone a great weekend. Enjoy, reflect on 9/11, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Bye now.